Hi, welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here in Meadow Hall at Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today, we've got something really special for you. I'm going to be making a peach pie, but it's not a regular peach pie. This is a fried peach pie. We are, after all, in the South. All right, so I've got peaches over here that I'm going to cook because I want them to thicken up a little bit. So it's going to take a little time. I've got them in there. I want to thicken that syrup up good. Right? Now we're going to roll out the pie dough. It's important to have your rolling pin floured nicely as well as the board. So as we're rolling, it forms an elongated shape. We need to turn it so that we get a nice even roll all the way around. But we are going to want this to be a little off round when we use it. Now, since we're going to be cooking this pie in a saute pan, we don't want it to be as thin as you would make a normal pie crust, so we're going to want it to be a little bit thicker so it holds together nicely. Now, those of you who have rolled dough before know you need to let it rest a little bit because the gluten molecules stretch out, and then as they relax they tighten back up again, so we want to make sure that we don't play with the dough too much before it's had a chance to relax. So now I've got my pie filling. I'm going to put some peaches right in the center of this, a little off center actually. Because I'm going to fold one end of this down to the other. That's enough for this one. Now I've got some cracked egg here, all right, and kind of egg the edge of this. This is kind of like glue that'll seal them down. Now fold this over to me and press it down and seal it. Now I'm going to trim this off. I want to make sure I have enough of a lip on this so that the pie filling won't leak out, the shell won't burst. All right. All right. And now I'm going to seal it again, or a little bit, with the edge of a fork. Now this helps seal it really well. All right. Get that a little bit hot. Add a little bit of fat to that pan. Now you can use any fat you want. If you use whole butter, it has solid particles in it that can brown at the heat we have to saute at. So I'm using a little bit of lard here. All right. So now I've got this pie shell, and I'm going to just pop it right into there. All right. And while that's happening, I'm going to get a paper towel. Because when I take it out, the first thing I want to do is, in case there's a lot of grease on it, I'm going to want to set it on a paper towel. Right. To absorb any of the grease. Sometimes if the pie dough is a little bit wet, it'll stick in the pan, so you want to, before it has a chance to really cook, you need to move it around just a little bit, right, so that it forms a seal. Oh, here we're getting a nice brown on it. Okay. I think this is about done. All right. So I'm going to get a plate over here. Take this out of the pan and just touch it a bit to the paper towel to absorb any grease that might be left on it. All right. And now I'm going to go onto the plate. Pull that into the center. And I'm going to cut this. So we can see what it looks like inside. And here we got a fried peach pie. Welcome to Virginia. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.